Animal quiz. Choose the correct options. Question number 1. Which of these animals require only 2 hours of sleep in a day? Options are A. Elephants, B. Gorillas, C. Cats. Here the answer is option A. Elephants. Question number 2. Which of these animals can run as fast as any average horse? Options are A. Dogs, B. Hyenas, C. Grizzly bears. Here the answer is option B. Hyenas. Question number 3. Which one of these insects surfs? Options are A. Grasshopper, B. Beetle, C. Spider. Answer is option A. Grasshopper. Question number 4. Which fish spends most of the time out of water? Options are A. Marshkeeper, B. Seahorse, C. Archer fish. Here the answer is option A. Marshkeeper. Question number 5. Which bird has waterproof feathers? Options are A. Dodo, B. Swift, C. Duck. Here the answer is option C. Duck.